Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create and get verified on your OKX wallet. So first you want to open up your OKX wallet and it should pop you right here. So there's going to be a sign here, so you just want to click that, do the login, and then in here you're going to see there's a sign up option and you want to click on that sign up. And just make sure we confirm our location, there we go. And let's use our email here, so use any email you have, there we go. Next, and if you have any referral code you can use it, like an invite from your friend or to your content creators that you watch. And make sure you visit the email you have so you can get the OTP, our one-time password that's mailed to us. And here you want to enter your code, and once you already created your account, let's get verified. So to verify, you're going to see this verify now on your homepage after creating our account. Make sure you click that. And then here we're gonna have our ID, and we're gonna have a little quick selfie of ourselves. So there we go. Make sure you select your ID type. And there's gonna be a bunch of different things here, so yeah, if you have the recommended one, make sure you have that, and make sure you ready the IDs that are available for you, and then use that. And here you're gonna have to use your selfie camera, so it will just verify. You're just gonna have to blink, just like how you set up your Face ID, that's all. So after that it will give you a confirmation, and make sure you wait for like 24 hours to get verified, but mostly these processes are really quick. So yeah, thanks for watching.